Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of patio pergola design ideas and tips inspiration for adding inviting pergola decor styles. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The patio. A sun-kissed stage for summer soirees, a canvas for alfresco feasts, and a haven for quiet contemplation. But what elevates this ordinary space to an extraordinary escape? Enter the pergola, an architectural maestro that orchestrates shade, style, and endless possibilities. Today, we embark on a design journey, unveiling 10 transformative pergola patio ideas to craft an outdoor masterpiece that whispers your name. So, grab your metaphorical paintbrush and let's paint a sanctuary under the open sky. Embrace the allure of nature. Let climbing vines like clematis or wisteria weave their magic, creating a verdant canopy and a haven for playful butterflies. Drape sheer fabrics or colorful bunting for playful pops of color and a touch of whimsy. String lights, woven through the beams like constellations, ignite a magical twinkle under the evening stars. Scale is paramount. Consider the symphony you wish to conduct. For intimate dining, a smaller structure suffices, a cozy stage for whispered conversations. For grand gatherings, opt for a more expansive design, a platform for laughter and shared memories. Remember, leave adequate room for furniture and ensure your pergola doesn't overpower the patio's natural flow. Layer textures and light. Woven rugs underfoot add warmth, while hanging planters bring life and fragrance. Create cozy seating areas with plush cushions and throws, inviting you to sink into the embrace of the day. String up a hammock for afternoon siestas or install a swing for playful childhood memories. Remember, personalize your space with treasured artwork, potted herbs, or quirky accents that reflect your unique melody. Stability is the foundation of any masterpiece. Choose appropriate anchors based on your pergola size and material. Concrete footings ensure secure anchoring for larger structures, while metal anchors or ground screws offer efficient solutions for smaller designs. Remember, consult a professional for complex designs or challenging soil conditions. Here is 10 pergola patio design ideas to inspire you. 1. Vineyard Symphony * let climbing vines like grapes or hops create a verdant cascade, perfect for a Tuscan-inspired escape. 2. Twinkling constellations * string lights woven through the beams like celestial constellations create a magical ambience for evening gatherings. 3. Fabric flourish * play with fabrics. Sheer drapes flutter in the breeze, adding color and drama, while canvas panels offer privacy and shade. 4. Swing into relaxation * a hammock or swing adds a playful touch and invites lazy afternoons bathed in dappled sunlight. 5. Outdoor dining oasis * create a dedicated dining area with a table and chairs beneath the pergola for alfresco feasts under the stars. Six. Cozy conversation corners * arrange plush seating areas with ottomans and throws for intimate gatherings under the dappled shade. 7. Water feature wonder * add a fountain or bird bath for the soothing melody of flowing water and a touch of natural serenity. 8. Outdoor art gallery * hang artwork or wind chimes for visual interest and a personalized touch. 9. Sensory symphony * plant fragrant herbs and flowers to fill the air with intoxicating aromas, transporting you to a sensory paradise. 10. Rooftop retreat * consider a retractable roof for year-round use and complete control over your alfresco haven, come rain or shine. Your patio's transformation awaits. With these 10 pergola design ideas, you can sculpt an outdoor masterpiece that reflects your unique style and ignites endless possibilities. Embrace the shade, the dappled sunlight, and the endless design potential. So, unleash your inner artist, choose your pergola muse, and get ready to weave magic into your outdoor haven. Head over to Decor Designs on YouTube for even more pergola patio design inspiration and expert tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for your weekly dose of home design magic. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of stylish kitchen with bar design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.